tao na ngayon doon.
It's green.
Ayan, I'm officially, ano na talaga. Tingin-tingin kami mga kachika kasi ang dami, inipon ko kasi talaga yung mga ano ni Alina mga kachika kahit doon dati sa old, yung dati niya na school mga kachika kung saan siya nag-aaral. Inipon ko yung mga ano niya, yung mga ano niya, mga activity book, ganyan, math, ganyan, ang dami, madami to kahit mga ganito ipon niya. Oh, you still got the book, diba? I can read this one, babe. Phonics. I'm gonna teach this to Alisa. What's that, babe? Lina? You made this in school?
So I think I know how to do it. I think. So I think I did is like get a piece.
Maganda din yung ito ba? Ganito yung ginagawa ko kasi gaya niyan, oh. Babalik-balikan niya yung mga pinagagawa niya before. Ano. Marami pa to mga kachika. Marami pa doon. Kung ito puno to, meron pa doon.
So I do like that, and then I'll make it so hard.
Like that.
Yeah, that.
Barang ano lang to. Hindi pa to kalahati. Meron pa doon. Ano ba
Look
to?
how I did. Look.
Bakit saan naman to?
Like half that, and then half that.
So ito yung mga ganito. Alam niyo mga kachika. Kahit simple lang to pero ano din to ba? Sa ano nila. Makita-kita nila to pag lalo na pag lumalaki na sila. Ayaw sa, careful sa.
And that one. But I didn't like. I did this one, but I didn't like. I bet this tail.
Cannot go anywhere if you're not going to eat. Dinner na kasi sila mga kachika. 5 o'clock na. Yan, pinapadinner ko na sila kasi alis kami. Yan yung ulam nila. Steak. Si Alina tapos na. Steak and corn beef. Tawag namin yan, corn beef. Then, ito naman yung amin ni Mr. Mr. din, nagluto na din ng kanyang food. Ito naman yung kanya. Siya din yung nagluto niyan. Pati yung sa mga bata. Ayan, yung kanyang bolognese sauce, organic bolognese. At ito naman yung akin. Ito din yan. Minced pork naman yung akin. Tapos nilagyan ko ng soy sauce. Yung Filipino style ba? May sibuyas, bawang, and then minced pork, at saka ano ba yung iba? Potatoes, patatas, at saka carrots. Sige na, Lisa.
Okay, boss.
Okay, boss, bitaw. Yung araw, ngayon ang napakit ang kailan, alas 5, 5:25 na ng hapon. Saka na nagsikat yung araw. Bis na ako. Bis na ako kaya tinanggal ko lang kasi nagluluto doon ba? Nangangamoy yung damit ko. Imbis amoy fabric conditioner, amoy na, niluluto. Pati yung buhok ko. Liguan na lang natin ito ng perfume. Ito, naisipon ko sa puot masyado sa kusina. Ano bang puot? Sa Bisaya o sa Tagalog? Yung ano ba, yung pagluluto ng yung steak. Yung mga bata. Mausok. Wala. Pulbo lang ako. Isa na doon kumakain pa, hindi pa naubos yung food niya. Tinatakot ko na pag hindi maubos yung food mo, hindi ka makakaalis. Ito ba? Mauubos na to ba? Gustong gusto ko to. Ang ano-ano dito sa... We're very, very, very excited. They're very, very, very excited.
Please, Alisa, the star, muddy boots.
Alisa, it's wrong way around your wellies.
Okay. 1 minute, I'll open it now.
Diyan pa yung bag ng basura kasi itatapon niya ni Mr.
Look at that.
Oh, you have to keep them in the car, okay?
Okay.
Not taking it with you.
Yeah.
Keep in the car. What else do you want? You want me to bring the blanket?
What Daddy say?
I don't know, your daddy.
Is
Too
Daddy
much.
said it's bring the blanket?
Yeah. Kids always like that.
Okay. You like that?
Colorful, Mama.
Huh?
You like
Yeah,
that?
colorful.
I'm colorful?
Yeah.
6 o'clock mga kachika. Paalis na kami. 7 o'clock yung aming...
You got the thing, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yung aming... Ano doon ba? Pinabook. Booking. Buti nga huminto yung ulan eh. Ang kailan ano na din. Gabi na nga. You got your belt, Lina? Okay, tara.
Pink color. A pink color.
Mas maaga kami ng 20 minutes, kachika. Ano pa lang, 6:40.
And race cider. Got wellies on. Whoa.
Well, it's on.
It's a puddle. Wellies
Paddle. It's on
on.
the smoke paddle.
And hats on. Coats on. All bundled.
Come here this way. Here. Pumpkin nights. Wait for Daddy first.
Daddy coming? Oh, that's Daddy. Please, come on!
Oh yeah, this one guy. You go there first, yeah. This way here. Watch you where you're walking. Wow.
I'm super scared.
Okay, I got a light here.
Okay, can you hold me? I'm scared.
Okay, come here.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh no, stop.
Photo.
Oh my god.
Ay, nag-enjoy yung mga bata. Akala namin walang tao, ang dami pala. Kasi wala kaming nakasalubong, wala din nakasunod sa amin. Yun pala, marami. Okay. Where's the day?
Come on to get marshmallows.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Like, colour for my hair.
Yeah. Can you reach me? You want me to do it? No. Isa. Ayaw, hindi ko naman ako mahilig nga ito mga kasika. O, hindi talaga ako kumakain ng marshmallow talaga. How was it? Good? Ang liwanag naman dito, oh, Purya Buyag.
Only got pumpkin, only one.
No, we didn't. It's just to play. No, not yet. No, we're not going yet. Dito kami mga kasika, si Mr. doon nandun nag-queuing. Daddy is in the queue kay mag-ano kami. Sasakay kami yung tractor na pinakita ko kanina. So mahaba kasi yung pila. Kumakain pala sa dina ng hotdog.
Excited to go to the...
We're coming! Wala si Alina yung ano lang talaga sila. May indoor, ano man sila din, yung slides ba mga kachika?
I'm back to slide.
You're back to slide. Okay, you go back first. Binuuwi na din kami mga kachika kaya may pasok bukas yung mga bata. Ako wala akong pasok, mga bata lang. Okay?
I break it.
It's okay. Don't break it. Just put together the hot dog and hit together.
Okay. Hi.
Welcome to the pumpkin trailer ride, everybody. Now, please, we have two simple safety rules. Please stay seated the whole time. Arms and legs inside the ride. Thank you very much.
Just finish the night. Just finish the night.
Right.
Okay, that's a pumpkin. No, you're gonna go in the pumpkin patch.
Nagutom mga kachika na sa bahay na pala kami. 9:30 na talaga kaya 9 o'clock na kami nakaalis doon. In mga 30 minutes pa punta dito. Yung kakain daw sila ng toast at saka pinainom ko ng warm milk. Meron din sila yung biscuit kagabi. How was it? Be nice, be? Did you have nice time? Pagod na yan, makatulog yan sila na maayos ba? Kami kakain pa din kami ni Mr. Yan, nandito na pala yung aking uniform mga kachika. Hilabahan ko to kagabi. Hinanwash ko lang siya. Ayan, 3 yan. Yung 2 lang muna yung gagamitin ko sa ngayon. Ayan, I'm officially, ano na talaga? Care worker. Okay, come on na because may uniform na tayo. Okay, tututpasyan ko lang sila mga kachika. Bibilisan ko na to kaya wala na talagang time. Is this yours, Pino? Oh, that's Elisa. Kain silang tapos tinagutom yung mga bata. Okay, nag-enjoy din naman. Bino? And you had fun, Bino? The best night. One of the best night.
Yeah. I like the wash one a little bit because I don't like the when I read the crunchy bit. It does. I don't.
I didn't like it when it's. You didn't like it the grilled one.
I do like it, but I don't like the crispy one.
The crispy bit.
Oh, it's water in my eye.
Oh, I need to do your nails as well. Come on.
Right, inside my eye. There.
Open door. Minsan na lang naman tong ganito ba? Para din ma-enjoy din yung mga bata, mga kachika. Ganun lang din naman yung mga parang ano talaga. Dito din kasi sa kanila parang mas ano to, yung Halloween at saka Christmas. Easter. Big, parang big talaga na malaking din ba dito ba? Bagay talaga sa kanila. Parang atin din naman, di ba? Pag Halloween. Pero hindi naman kasi lahat talaga nagsiselebrate din ng Halloween. Kasi depende din sa mga paniwala. Na nasa okay, kami gonna give you one. Give you one. Gapang na yung usa. Wait na.
I don't have shorts on.
Okay, take that off, please. Take it. I'm gonna give
No,
you. Okay, you go in there. No, lift up. Lift up. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna do your nails. Lisa, dali Lisa! Get up na!
Nice.
Okay, dali. Quick! Lisa, may bit na pala na.
I want to wear the...
Yeah, you wear this one. May pangtulog na siya. Pwede na. Bit na.
No, books now. Sorry, love. It's 10 o'clock. No.
No, just let her hold that one. She's gonna fast asleep. Come on, get in, babe.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
She's what I'm gonna read today.
Okay. So good night.
Good night. Okay.
Ew, I don't want to see it.
Alright. So today.
Hi.
Oh, it's
You got a robe as well.
yeah.
You cold?
Yeah.
You feel cold?
Yeah.
Oh. Got your bedtime clothes and robe.
Let's go, Mama.
Inapat ko kasi siya. Kasi
Come on, Mama.
pinawis yan siya doon
go.
kanina.
Come on, Mama. I forgot to brush my teeth.
Oh yeah, come here, get up. Forgot, come here, get up.